Hi, my name's Greg Hanchen. I'm with CalendarInvite.com. You can go check us out there. The thesis of this post is trillions of emails and SMS events are sent for time-sensitive requests every day across the internet, and essentially less than 1% of those get on the calendar. We believe that this add to calendar is a global fail. It does not work appropriately, and there's no ability to send calendar invites or capture the calendar receipts or send updates to a client anywhere in the email marketing world using calendar invite technology correctly. And that's what we're here to prove, that we've built a piece of technology. It sits on AWS and it's called the Calendar Invite Server. So further evidence, as you know, if you're on the internet day to day and you're working with calendar invites, is that the add to calendar does not allow the sending of a real calendar invite. So when you get these, they're just artifacts of a add to calendar button. It does not work, and it's half-assed at best. There's 50 plus email marketing vendors across the world are not using a calendar invite, although they're sending billions of emails a minute across the wire on the behalf of numerous domains. And then upcoming events do not work either in embedded landing pages. We've fixed that as well. Now, the further evidence here, number 4, is AWS and Apple can't get their crap together either. They do global events and they do not send out calendar invites. So as we dive a little deeper, our tech stack is based on AWS serverless. You can use any simple email service that you own on AWS. You hook up our calendar invite server and you're up and running in 20 minutes. And that gives you a whole set of APIs in which you can generate calendar invites embedded into landing pages, bulk engines, i.e. you can actually send out calendar invites to large bulk lists and hook up to AWS Pinpoint, and then you can also embed these buttons, these calendar invite buttons, if you will, into email marketing programs. As I scroll through, you can kind of see some of the interfaces we built through our tech stack. You can go see our tech stack at calendarsnack.com. That's a piece of technology we've built that showcases all the APIs. And as I scroll down here, you can see the definitive part about upcoming events where you click buttons, you send out calendar invites, and you track all that data. Same thing happens here with the bulk engine. As you load up the events here in the picker and you pick one, you can actually instrument up a email list and actually send out a bulk calendar invite run and then collect RSVPs to a list. And as you move through this here, you'll see that our button works the same way. You can embed these buttons into email marketing programs like MailChimp. People click the buttons and the calendar invite is sent out and tracked. Now, if you look at data overall for calendar invites, it's not being collected as a marketing piece of technology today. It's only done that with the big universal infrastructure, so Google email and clients such as Google Calendar, if you will, and the Outlook calendar by Microsoft. So our tech stack actually collects all that data on anything sent on AWS, and it parses it for the event organizer and the domain owner itself. So there are millions of AWS customers and hundreds of use cases. This is just a sampling overall of how our tech stack works. And thanks for stopping by and checking us out today here, March 28th, 2025.